This video shows the Connect installation through Fastbex, but the process is the same for any Aspera application, including Aspera Shares, Connect Server, and Files. After you log in, Fastbex checks to see whether a Connect upgrade is available. Finding that Connect 3.6 is available, Fastbex displays a blue banner at the top of the window. Click Download Latest Version, then Save File, and then OK. Once the download is complete, click the download arrow in the Firefox banner, then click the Connect DMG file. Double-click the package to launch the installation wizard. Step through the wizard, accept the license agreement. Installation requires a browser restart, so click here to allow Firefox to shut down and the installation to complete. Then relaunch Firefox and log in to Fastbex. At this point, Firefox detects the new version of Connect and runs it. If you wish, you can click the plugin icon in the Firefox address bar to see that Aspera Web, another name for Connect, is enabled. After this one-time procedure, the new features and functionality of Connect 3.6 are available to your Aspera web app, and you can proceed to work in your app as usual.